Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great and doing well in your studies also. So today I am going to discuss how to prepare simultaneously for all upcoming bank exams. As the notifications are releasing these days, like first the SBI clerk notification was released and then IBPS, RRB, PO and clerk. And very soon we can see the notification of SBI PO also. So many aspirants are getting confused like how to prepare for all exams. Sometimes they keep targeting RRB, then they start targeting SBI, because they just keep shifting their focus from one thing to another thing. Okay, so the main thing is confusion. Everybody is getting confused this time, but we have to play smartly to clear the exam. So the first practical thing is that the syllabus is same for all exam. So don't try to target one exam, just try to complete your syllabus according to the level of SBI PO exam. I know the notification of SBI PO is not released, but the level of SBI PO is higher than all these exams. And if you cover your syllabus according to the level of SBI PO, then you can easily clear all the rest of the exams. And for RRB exams, only Hindi and computer are different, then other things are same. So in these days, what you should do is, first we will discuss about prelims mocks. What you can do is, like today you gave mock of SBI PO, then tomorrow analyze your weak areas and practice questions of your weak areas. Then next day give mock test of RRB PO, because SBI PO's pattern is same as IBPS PO, IBPS clerk and SBI clerk. So in SBI PO you are covering all the left 3 exams, and for RRB PO you are covering the RRB exams, because the pattern of prelims is different for RRB and SBI. So you can do this, give mocks on alternate days, and in between the one day practice your weak areas. Okay, then we are preparing simultaneously. What we have to do is, we adjust Hindi and computer on Sundays. Earlier we were doing current affairs on Sundays, and now you have to adjust Hindi and computer on Sundays. Like you can cover Hindi and computer, you can give one hour to each Hindi and computer, and then cover it on Sundays. Then make a to-do list daily, because if we keep thinking that today I will cover this topic, then all things are in our mind and we get very confused. So you don't have to do this. You have to make a daily to-do list, and if you are not able to find out how to make the to-do list, then I am preparing the to-do list daily. Like I am uploading a video for the to-do list daily. You can follow that also, because in that I am covering all the exams, all the upcoming exams. Now we will discuss how to prepare for mains. We have discussed for prelims that you have to give the mock test on alternate days. Now for mains preparation, there are 2 ways to prepare for mains. First is preparing through mock test, like mains mock test, and other is preparing through daily practice. First we will discuss about preparing through mocks. So for mocks, what you can do is, you can give one mains mock on Monday, and then just try to find out the difficult questions and your weak areas, and practice these things and the wrong questions also for 3 to 4 days. Okay, like do the postmortem of the mains mock test fully and try to get the maximum benefit from it. So this is the way to prepare for the mains mock test. And the other way is to daily practice mains level questions. So for daily practicing mains level questions, what you can do is, cover daily current affairs and then cover weekly current affairs of previous months. And one more thing is that if you want practice material for like all the upcoming exams, then you can go for Guidely PDF course also, because in Guidely PDF course they are providing daily targets for prelims and for mains, and then you will not get confused about the practice material and the topics to be covered daily. So you can follow that PDF course, and in one PDF course you will get around 17,000 plus practice questions, and the daily targets are very useful, plus it's bilingual like in Hindi and in English also. So you can check out the Guidely PDF course. And the best thing about this PDF course is that if you get stuck in any question, then they provide video solutions, and like the solution is there, but they provide video solution also, and what can be better than a video solution for your doubt. So the link of the Guidely PDF course will be given in description. You can go and buy that mock test, and by using my code you will get extra 12% discount. Now we will discuss what you can follow on daily basis. So you are covering the current affairs on daily basis, then you can cover monthly current affairs of previous months by doing it weekly. Then you have to cover 3 to 4 mains level DIs, and for mains level DIs, if you are unable to find, then a link of the channel will be given in description. You can go, you like don't trust my words, but just go on that channel and check the level of the content which they are providing. This is not a very famous channel, but one thing I can assure you that the level of the content is very good. Okay, you will not get this type of content for mains on YouTube. So try to check it out. The link will be given in description. Just watch one video and you will understand the level if you are already preparing for the exam and if you are giving mains mocks. Okay, then you have to cover arithmetic also. So for doing this, what you can do is you can practice one arithmetic chapter on one day, and the next day you can practice data sufficiency and quantity 1 and quantity 2 questions. For reasoning, practice mains puzzles daily and practice one topic questions of mains reasoning daily. Okay, for English, keep reading the editorial and practice prelims puzzles also. So this is the way to prepare simultaneously for all the upcoming bank exams. For mocks, you can give the mocks on Sundays, and if you are planning to prepare from mocks, then you will give the mocks on Monday, and then keep practicing the mock for whole week. Like rectify your weak areas, practice more questions from many PDFs of mains. And if you want to go for daily practice, then you can give the mains mock on Sunday and analyze your weak areas and keep practicing, like continue with your daily practice. So this is the way to prepare simultaneously for all your exams. And if you want a daily to-do list, then you can follow my to-do list also. So that's all for today's video. Thank you and have a nice day.